From this equation, find out the value of x. How? First, we can write the root 4. This we can take the a. We can take this a. So this term we can take this a, and this 12. There is the 7 minus, and this term is similarly a. And now multiply this. So there is the 7a, and this is a square, and this is 12. So similarly we can write this is the 12 plus a square minus 7a. And now this we can write the similarly 7a and the plus 12, this is a. And now this we can write a square, and this is minus 4a. This we can write minus 4a and minus 3a and plus 12. And there is the, take the a common, so the a minus 4, and there is the 3, take the common, so a minus 4, this is 0. And now a minus 4, and there is the a minus 3 is equal to 0. So there we can write a minus 4 is equal to 0. So there is the a is equal to 4, and there the a minus and a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3. And now this is equal to a. So we can write this first, we can write this to the power x. This first a is equal to the 4. So 4. So x is equal to the 4 to the square 4. And so this value is the 256. And similarly, if a is equal to this x, this a is equal to this 3, so 3, so there is the x value is 3 to the power 4, there is the 81. So now this is equal to the 3, and so this term we can write. So verify this is equal to 3. How? This term, this is the 12, and this term is 7, minus this term is the 3. So 12 by this 4, this is equal to 3. So this is the right. And similarly this is equal to 4. So there is the 12, and this is the 7, and this is equal to the 4. So 4 here putting, so there is the 3. So cut this 4. So 4 is 4 verified, and 3 and 3 verified. So this is the x value is this, right, and x value is this, right. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.